Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at MicroStrategy? This is ticker MSTR. Now, on a day where SPY is crushed and on a day when the QQQ is crushed, MSTR closed near the highs and did it on higher than average volume. Now, it wasn't exactly a smooth ride to the top. There was a lot of chop this morning, and you can see how I have this red zone highlighted as we were pointing out in real time to our members at Stock Market Mentor and at Crypto Market Mentor that MSTR was filling a gap to the downside. Now, like I said, it wasn't a straight ride to the moon. There was lots of ebbs and flows, but MSTR is a great day trader within this market volatility. And when it starts trending, it ends up being a massive outperformer. So whether you're day trading this stock or swing trading or trend trading, this is definitely one of the best stocks in the market, in my opinion, to make consistent money on, no matter your time frame. If you're looking for an entry here on MSTR, I still see a pretty clear downward sloping trend line right around this zone, and I would look for a move through the 50-day moving average at around 305, 307, something like that. If it can get above and stay above that level and do it on good volume, this could ultimately test some of the highs from up here at around 340, 350. So that's just one of many different setups that we're seeing right now on MSTR at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see more, be sure and check out our premium service. Take a trial, click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.